Warning for Chicago.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 2:45 p.m. At 2:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Homer Glen, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Joliet, Cicero, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Oak Park, Calumet City, West Town, Chicago Lawn, Englewood, South Shore,
Tornado warning for Janesville.
Park, Bridgeport, Chicago Loop, South Lawndale, Lakeview, Midway Airport, Austin, Burbank, Lansing, Oak Forest, and Harvey. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northeastern Illinois. This is no...
Come on.